We are now going to show you the result of a POC we have conducted that demonstrates perfectly how the holistic model approach can positively impact the fraud detection capabilities. Our objective was to take the auto-created predictors that were calculated based on data from the call center traffic and show how they can improve the web and mobile model's performance. We added features such as the number of failed authentications in the 24 hours prior to the assessed transaction, under the assumption that fraudsters who failed few times the authentication in one channel will try their luck in a different one. The new features were tested to find the optimal combination of all permutations. We were able to show up to 2.2% improvement in fraud detection rate across the existing channels. Looking at the top 1% of high-risk transactions with a risk score above 700, fraud detection rates for payment transactions only increased by 0.9%. For payment transactions, the increase of 0.9% means that, for the 3 weeks of testing, there were $22.3 thousand of fraud that was now classified with a higher risk score. Applying the same increase in detection for 1 year means $500,000 more in payment fraud. We are saying more than because a lot more was saved by simply blocking the fraud logins attempts. Our solution required 3 features to be developed. Analyzing similar products in RSA leads us to estimate an approximately 1 year of development time, which will cost $250,000. Based on a representative adaptive authentication customer, 13% of overall monthly traffic are e-commerce payment transactions and 7% are branch transactions. Therefore, we estimate a potential traffic growth of 10% on average for each additional channel. We anticipate an average increase of 3 channels per customer and growth of 10% in monthly traffic per each channel. Our solution can potentially increase adaptive authentication revenue by 30%. Amazing!